Are you curious about Poe AI and ChatGPT? Let's dive into the differences and see which one might work better for you. Both Poe AI and ChatGPT are tools designed to help you communicate with AI. They can answer questions, generate text, and assist with various tasks, but they have different styles and features. Poe AI is known for its user friendly interface. It allows users to interact with multiple AI models at once. This means you can get different perspectives on the same topic. Poe also focuses on conversation flow, making chats feel more natural. On the other hand, ChatGPT is built on advanced language models. It excels at understanding context and providing detailed responses. ChatGPT is great for in depth conversations and can generate creative content like stories or poems. Now, let's look at the key differences. Poe AI offers a more diverse set of voices, while ChatGPT provides deeper insights and clarity. If you prefer variety in responses, Poe might be your go to. If you want detailed answers, ChatGPT could be the better choice. When it comes to features, both tools have unique offerings. Poe allows you to switch between different AI models easily. ChatGPT, however, has a strong focus on context and can remember details throughout a conversation. Pricing is another factor. Poya has a flexible pricing model, while ChatGPT often has subscription options that may vary. Both can fit different budgets depending on your needs. In the end, if you want a versatile chat experience, go for Poe AI. If you need in depth answers and creative help, ChatGPT is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.